not to let you in.
Hey guys, it is about 2 o'clock now. I just went down, I had breakfast, I drank some water, I drank some tea, I drank this hibiscus lime drink I've been drinking. It's like hibiscus tea and lime, and it's really good. But today is Sunday, and Sundays are going to be my Gyst days whilst I'm home for the next foreseeable future. Ooh, that's really bright. And so they're really just going to be cleaning, doing work, doing emails, getting myself ready for the week ahead in terms of classes and in terms of working out, videos, what I want to get done. I even have like this really cute little board that I'm going to fill out, so I like know when things are due, I know when I have tests, and I'm also going to put my workouts and the videos I'm posting on that. So yeah, we're just gonna start gysting. I'm in my robe currently. I'm gonna stay in my robe for a little bit. I need to do laundry, so I need to go through all of the clothes in my room and figure out what needs to go in the laundry. Do you love my little creepy Victorian doll? I do. I love her. I got her from my grandmother, and she's creepy and I love her. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna listen to some podcasts, and I have like a little box of... Oh, okay, if you don't know what a Gyst Day is, they were started by Kayla Nicholson, and it's get your shit together. They have 3 parts: cleaning, and like housework kind of stuff, or like food prep, that kind of stuff. The second one is like beauty stuff, and the third one is like work, like getting your, like planning out your week, planning out your goals, that kind of stuff. And so I have made a to-do list where I've figured out what I'm going to do for each of those things, or for cleaning and for work, and then for beauty stuff, I took some beauty stuff out of my beauty little drawers, things that I don't normally use, and like this is like a face steam, this is a face spray, this is a hair mask, and then this is an illuminating serum. I have some other face masks I'll use probably first before I get into that stuff, but those are all the things that I'm going to try to use today. Basically, those are things I wouldn't normally use, versus I will do a face mask on random Tuesday afternoon. So yeah, that's the difference, and that's why those are in that group. So we're just gonna get started, and I'm gonna get started by figuring out what I need to put in the laundry. So let's do it. This is my Gyst outfit of the day. I have this sweater on from, I think it's Aloe Yoga. I don't know where it would say that. And then I just have these spandex shorts on from Paylocation. Again, I don't know. I don't know where my clothing is from today. So one thing I like to do while I clean is I listen to podcasts, and then at the end of every podcast I do one of my beauty things. I'm listening to The Daily, and we're just going to get cleaning.
Let you go, I'm giving it up for maybe. If I give it up again.
Okay, so this is a pair of jeans that I absolutely love, but they're completely ripped. Like, this is bigger than my fist, and this is in the thigh, like the inner thigh, and so I'm going to repurpose these. I don't know for what yet, but I'm excited to see. I might see if I can fix it, but the rips are so big that I think it's going to be more of a repurposing project. So yeah, I'm going to make a stack of things that I brought home solely because I want to repurpose them, and I'll put it over here somewhere. So yeah, this is the first thing in that list.
I wanna let you know, I seem to know the basics. I wanna let you in.
Hi, this is my desk. This is where I film everything. Normally it's not this messy on top, or if it is this messy, you can't see it. But what I'm actually going to do today is, you see this drawer right here? I want to be able to use this drawer when I'm filming. I want this to be like my makeup drawer. I don't have a ton of makeup, so I'd love to be able to put it just like in this drawer. So what I'm actually going to do is pick up my desk and turn it around so that I can actually use it. Which I think is going to be a little bit wild because I'm not that strong. But so yeah, that is what the next step of this Gyst Day is going to entail.
Before I let you go, get under my skin. instead. And all I did was pushing you away. I suppose dreams don't spread, they disappear ahead into the dark side of the bed. Got to let you in before I let you go. I'm giving it up for maybe. If I'm giving up again, I wanna let you know.
Look how cute these corgis are. It's a corgi. Oh, I can't really open any of the other ones. I can do November and December. It's a corgi. It's a corgi. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is actually clean up that shelf so that I can put like my makeup stuff in it. So I will film that for you guys. Okay, so what I have in here is, this is a fan from Hawaii. Isn't it super pretty? I'm going to keep that. This is a ton of keychains that I've been gifted throughout the years. Basically, whenever anyone needs to give me something, they give me a keychain. They're cute. I have a keychain though right now that I'm using that was also gifted to me, so I don't know what I'm going to do with these guys just yet. This is a stapler. I do want to keep it, but I'm not going to put it in that drawer. The reason I'm washing this out is because I want to use this for my makeup. Washi tape I do want to keep because I'm thinking about trying to do some more like winged looks with this, like some sharper looks. So I'm actually going to keep that in here. A pen, a carabiner from a camp I used to go to. A cord that I got when I bought something, and this side is a USB-C and this side is a iPhone charger. I don't know what those are called, but I actually might be able to use it now because I actually have USB-Cs. So we'll see what if that can be used for anything. These are flip-flop erasers, hilarious. I'm going to put them in my desk drawer. This is a fake pearl earring that I got at one point for free. This is very dusty. A big eraser, a smaller eraser, a push pin. I'm going to go put that with my other push pins. A little pen with a hippo on it from one of the universities I was looking at. So cute. A pencil that I don't even know if it works. Oh, it does work. Wow, I'm going to put it with my other pencils. And this cute little earring. So I'm going to put the earrings with those things. And this looks like it would plug into my camera. It is not focused at all. I'm sorry. But yeah, but I don't really know what it's for, so I think I'm going to just chuck it. Now we're going to fill this with makeup-y stuff. This is one of my boxes of makeup. We're going to start with this guy. I don't know if we're going to put my palettes like this, so we're going to wait on the palette. But brushes, I'm going to try to put all of my brushes in this first little... This is my box that you just saw everything was in, but it's also like my box for my Project Pan stuff. And so we're just going to go through and I'm going to put all my Project Pan stuff back in. So I've been talking about how I want to steal some of my mom's plants. And I'm still going to do that because I'm going to clear off like a whole space, a whole couple of my shelves that I just like want to declutter a ton of stuff on, which will be part of my like decluttering and redoing my room series. But she made me a little plant. Like she had plants and mugs, and so she just like got one of them and like cleaned it up. And so now I have a little plant, so I'm going to add that to my little desk. I just put my clothes in. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, this is what my desk looks like right now. So I like added this little white thing so I'd have like an extra spot for my light and my lamp, but they wouldn't have to be like on the desk, and my candle can be more separated from my plant because I noticed a little bit of browning where I think like they were too close to each other. So I can add this guy, I can put him like right here maybe, or maybe I can put him like on this side of my desk. So he might not be in like my shots, but he'll be like where I can see him. I'm filling these. This had like a quill in it, like I said, and I'm going to fill this side with pencils and this side with pens. And then I'm going to put them on this shelf because I'm going to make this shelf like stuff I'll need for classes. So like a stapler, although I don't think I'll actually need a stapler this term because like obviously I'm not turning anything in physically. And then these are all the erasers. You can see my guitar. Woo! So I'm going to put that down there. I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet. This is like a pen pencil thing, but since I don't actually need pens or pencils for anything, like I don't need to like bring them anywhere, I probably won't be allowed to leave home anytime soon, you know. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the fan either because I like my other fan for like I said, using after I do my setting spray. But yeah, so I have, this is all my Project Pan stuff. Candle, you know the drill. That's the camera. I'm filming with my phone right now because this is out of batteries. This is what I'm gonna fill out with like stuff for the week. This vlog is officially over. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch more Gyst vlogs, if you want to watch more vlogs, if you want me to do like the decluttering series, leave that down below because it's definitely stuff I'm planning on doing. But I'd like to hear if you have any thoughts about it. Did you guys have a Gyst day? What do you guys do on your Gyst days? Leave that down below. And other than that, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you next time. Bye.
I'm lost.